Hello students, welcome to my video lecture Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Today we are going to discuss coordinate geometry, that is a plane geometry. Okay, so coordinate geometry is a branch of mathematics which treats geometry algebraically. It is a branch of mathematics which treats geometry algebraically. Okay, so definition coordinate geometry is coordinate geometry is that branch of mathematics which treats geometry algebraically. It treats geometry algebraically. Okay. Next, coordinate system in a plane. Heading: coordinate system in a plane and graph of coordinates of a point. Graph of coordinates of a point. Coordinates of a point. Graph of coordinates of a point. Okay. Let x dash ox and y dash oy are two perpendicular straight lines. Straight lines are two perpendicular straight lines. Okay, intersecting at O. Okay, the line x dash ox is horizontal. The line x dash ox is taken as horizontal line. Okay. Horizontal. This is this one x, this is x dash, this is O, x dash. X dash is taken as a horizontal. This one y dash is taken as vertical. Is taken as vertical. The point O is called origin. The point O is called origin. The point O is called origin. The line, the horizontal line x o x dash, the horizontal line x dash o x is called x axis. This is called x axis, and the line and the vertical line y dash o y is called y axis. Is called y axis. Okay. The axis, this is called x axis and this is called y axis. Okay. The axis, both the axis divide whole plane into 4 parts called quadrants. Okay, called quadrants. The quadrant x o y comma y o x dash or x dash o y comma x dash o y dash and x o y dash are respectively called first, second, third, and fourth quadrant. Okay, respectively called first, second, third and fourth quadrants. Okay, this is first, this is second, this one third, and this one fourth. So there are 4 quadrants. The whole plane is divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is known as a quadrant. So there are 4 quadrants, and they are respectively called x o y, x dash o y, next one x dash o y dash, and last one x o y dash. Okay. The axis x dash o x and y dash o y are called rectangular axis or simply coordinate axis. Rectangular coordinate axis or simply coordinate axis. Okay, simply coordinate axis. The axis x dash o x and y dash o y are called rectangular axis. Or simply or simply coordinate axis. Coordinate axis. Coordinate axis. Okay. Let P be a point. Let P be a point, means any point on the plane. Let P be a point. Let P be any point on the plane. Then PA perpendicular to x-axis. PA perpendicular to what? X-axis. PB perpendicular to this is B, perpendicular to y-axis. PB perpendicular to y-axis. Okay. Let x and y be numbers corresponding to the line. Let x, this length is x and this length is y. Let x, y is equal to mod x, OB is equal to mod y. Let x and y be numbers corresponding to, okay, corresponding to the point A and B on the axis x dash ox and on the axis x dash ox and y dash oy. Okay. So y is equal to mod x and OB is equal to mod y. Okay. So let P be any point on the plane. Draw PA perpendicular to x dash ox and PB perpendicular to y dash oy. Y dash oy. Okay. Let x and y are numbers. Small x and small y are numbers corresponding to the plane, corresponding to the point, corresponding to the points A and B on the axis x dash ox and y dash oy respectively. Y dash oy respectively. Okay. Therefore OA is equal to mod x, OB is equal to mod y. Okay. Thus we see that for a point P, for a point P on the plane there corresponds an ordered pair. There corresponds an ordered pair x comma y of real numbers. Ordered pair x comma y of real numbers. Okay. So P means this is x comma y. Ordered pair x comma y. So first x represent x coordinate and second y represent y coordinate. The point P is unique for a given for a given ordered pair x comma y, for a given ordered pair x comma y of real numbers, x comma y of real numbers. Real numbers. Okay, x comma y of real numbers. The real number x is called, the real number x is called, x coordinate of the point P is called x coordinate of P, x coordinate P or abscissa, okay, or the abscissa of P, or the abscissa, abscissa, abscissa of P. Similarly the real number y, the real number y is called y coordinate of P, or the ordinate of P. Okay, so that is P bracket x comma y means this is P bracket x means this is called abscissa, this is called ordinate, abscissa, and this is called ordinate. Okay, this is called ordinate. Okay, the real number x comma y, the real numbers x and y also not reversible, also not reversible in order pair x comma y, in order pair x comma y. Okay, means this is x length, this is y length. Suppose this is 1, this length is 2, this length is 2, this length is 1, so this is 1 comma 2. If we interchange 2 comma 1, this length is 2 and this length is 1, means this is the point 2 comma 1. Okay, 1 comma order pair 1 comma 2 not is equal to 2 comma 1. Okay, the ordered pair x comma y and y comma x, the ordered pair x comma y and y comma x would represent the same point, would represent the same point if and only if same point on the plane if and only if x is equal to y. जदि x is equal to y हम ताले ऑर्डर पेयर x कमा y is equal to ऑर्डर पेयर कौन है परिवो y कमा x. ओके, नेक्स्ट द कोऑर्डिनेट x and y, the coordinate x and y, the coordinate x and y of P as written as are written as p bracket रे order pair means x comma y. Okay, if one p bracket रे x comma y lies on x axis, if p lies on x axis, then y is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. देखो x axis, this is y axis. तो write p3 comma 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this point, this is 3 comma 0. p minus 2 comma 0, so this is negative side of x axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So this is minus 2 comma 0. Okay. Second one, if px comma y lies on y axis, then x is equal to 0. If p lies on y axis ऊपर y coordinate is 0, x coordinate is 0, then x is equal to कौन है 0 है कि तो p 0 comma 2 means what? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 0 comma 2, 2 means 0 comma 2. p 0 comma minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, to this point is 0 comma minus 1, this point is 0 comma minus 1. Okay. 3, if p x comma y lies on first quadrant, then x greater than 0 comma y greater than 0, x positive, y positive, this is x axis, this is y axis origin, this is point p. Okay, x and y, here x and y both are positive, both are positive. Okay. Fourth one, if p bracket x comma y lies on second quadrant, then x negative, y positive, x negative, p minus 3 comma 2, so lies in second quadrant, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, this point. So this is p having coordinate minus 3 comma 2. Okay. Next, fifth one, if p x comma y lies on third quadrant, then x negative, y also negative. So p minus 2 comma minus 3, p minus 2 comma minus 3, x axis, this is y axis origin, this one minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, y dash. देखो तो this is p point minus 2 comma minus 3, minus 2 comma minus 3. Okay, this is p lies on third quadrant, both x and y are negative, both x and y are gonna negative. Okay. Sixth one, if p x comma y lies in fourth quadrant, then x positive, y is negative, x is positive, y is negative, p 2 comma minus 3. देखो तो p 2 comma minus, this is x axis, this is y axis origin, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So x is 2. This is 2. X is equal to y is equal to minus 3. This is this point P having coordinate 2, minus 3. Okay. तो ये है 2, minus 3. Okay. So if P lies in fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. है जो दिराग इंटरसेक्ट कर सी है कोऑर्डिनेट. डिस्टेंस फार्मूला. डिस्टेंस फार्मूला. डिस्टेंस फार्मूला. डिस्टेंस फार्मूला. Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points P having coordinate x1 y1 and Q having coordinate x2 y2 is given by distance between two points P bracket x1 y1 and Q bracket x2 y2 is given by mod of p cube is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is square root of difference between abscissa whole square plus difference between ordinate whole square. Okay. Difference between abscissa whole square plus difference between ordinate whole square. देखा तो प्रूफ देखा ठीक है. प्रूफ दिस इज x, this one y. Okay, this is the line P and Q having coordinate x1 y1 and this is coordinate x2 y2. Okay, so draw the perpendicular from P on x-axis. Draw the perpendicular from P on x-axis. Meet at M. So coordinate of M is x1, 0 because on x-axis y coordinate is 0. So this length is x1. This length is x1. Okay. तो ये रहा x1. तो ये x1 ये भी x1 है ना. ये रहा y1. ये तो x1 ये रहा y1. Similarly to draw करो perpendicular. तो ये है n. तो ये है r कोऑर्डिनेट है x2, 0. x2 तो x2 0 बिकॉज ये लेंथ रहा x2. ये है y2. ओके. अगेन ड्रॉ करो परपेंडिकुलर r. PR परपेंडिकुलर टू qn. PR परपेंडिकुलर टू कौन qn. ओके. तो दिस लेंथ इज y1. दिस आल्सो y1. तो दिस लेंथ इज y1. तो कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ r इज ON means x2, y1. Coordinate of r is x2, y1. देखो ये है x2, ये भी x2, ये भी x2. ये सब समान लेंथ. तो ये है x2 लेंथ रह सको. तो ये x2. बट ये है y1 बिकॉज ये लेंथ इक्वल. दिस लेंथ इज y1. दिस लेंथ इज y1. तो ये है y1 x2, y1. बट दिस लेंथ इज y2. दिस लेंथ इज y2. ओके. तो आम लेंथ कौन आने PQ लेंथ आने PQ length. तो फ्रॉम द ट्रायंगल PQR तो लिखी दूसरी देखो टिके कौन लिखा बेटी. ड्रॉ PM and QN perpendicular to x-axis. Okay. Therefore coordinate of M x1, 0 and n is x2, 0. again draw perpendicular from P to QN. P to QN meet at R. So coordinate of R is equal to coordinate of R is equal to x2 comma y1. Because ये है y1 length, ये भी y1 length, it is a rectangle, तो ये length है equal y1. Okay. Now PQR is right angle triangle. Now PQR is a right angled triangle. Okay, right angled triangle. Therefore PQ square is equal to PR square plus RQ square. Okay, तो PR जहाँ MN तहा is equal to MN square plus RQ means what? QN minus RN whole square. तो MN is equal to what? This is ON minus OM plus QN minus RN whole square. तो ON is equal to x2, ON is equal to x2, OM is equal to x1. So this is x2 minus x1 whole square plus QN means y2, QN is y2 minus RN is जहाँ PM तहा, RN और PM same, तो PM is y1 square. Since QN is equal to y2, RN is equal to PM is equal to y1. Okay. Therefore PQ mod of PQ is equal to taking positive square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the length PQ, distance between 2 points कहले square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or difference between FCR whole square plus difference between ordinate whole square whole square root. Okay, this is the distance between 2 points. Okay, note distance, let P bracket x comma y be any point on the plane. Therefore the length OP, where the origin, square root of x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, root x square plus y square, where O as origin. Okay. Question: prove that the distance of the point P, A cos alpha comma A sin alpha, from the origin is independent of alpha. From the origin is independent of alpha means alpha रहिबा नहीं. Okay, तो solution देखो. Solution given P bracket रे A cos alpha comma A sin alpha, O origin 0 0. Therefore length OP square root of A cos alpha minus 0 whole square plus A sin alpha minus 0 whole square, तो is equal to square root of A square cos square alpha plus A square sin square alpha. Square root of A square common काट देले, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, तो is equal to A square root into 1, तो A square root is equal to A. Okay, so this is the independent of alpha because here alpha is not there. Alpha is केथरे नहीं, तो it is independent of alpha. It is independent of alpha. Independent of alpha. Okay. Next, some facts or some notes. Some notes. 1. In order to prove that 3 points are collinear, in order to prove that 3 points are collinear, means suppose A, B, C are collinear. So first find length AB, length BC, length AC. Then out of AB, BC, length AB, BC, CA, which one is greater? So greater one is equal to sum of length of other two. Length of the greater one is equal to sum of the length of other two, then ABC are कौन collinear. Okay, ठीक अच्छी. In order to prove that, in order to show that the 3 points A, B and C are collinear if find length AB, length BC and length AC and length AC, and then show that the greatest of these three, the greatest of these three is equal to sum of the sum of other two. Okay, means suppose this is a line, this is A point, this is a B point, this is a C point. So AC length is the greatest length. So AC length is equal to AB length plus BC length. Then we say that ABC are collinear. Collinear means 3 points form a single line. Okay, तो ABC are कौन कहे हमें collinear. Okay. Next, second point, a triangle is said to be equilateral. A triangle is equilateral if and only if all three sides are equal. If and only if all three sides are equal. All three sides are equal. All three sides are equal. That means a triangle ABC. So length AB is equal to length BC is equal to length AC. Means all sides are equal length. All sides are equal length. 3. A triangle is an isosceles if and only if its two sides are equal. Its two sides are equal. Either length equal A, B, C. So AB is equal to what? SC. AB is equal to SC. Okay. Next, fourth point. Fourth one. A quadrilateral is an isosceles. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if and only if its two sides are equal. if and only if its means opposite, if and only if opposite sides are equal, opposite sides equal, opposite sides are equal, okay. Quadrilateral मतलब opposite equal है गला, opposite side जाएगा equal, opposite sides are equal, okay. Next 5, next one 5. A quadrilateral is a rectangle. A quadrilateral is a rectangle if and only if opposite sides are equal and their diagonals are also equal. If and only if opposite sides are equal and their diagonals also equal, and their diagonal also equal, okay. A B C D. तो AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC and BD is equal to SC. है BD is equal to SC. So we say that the quadrilateral is a rectangle. The quadrilateral is a rectangle. Okay. Next 6. A quadrilateral is a rhombus if and only if all sides are equal in length. All sides are equal. Even only if all sides of rhombus, all sides of quadrilateral, all sides of quadrilateral are equal. चार्टा साइड सामान ही पड़ो है तो से आम कौन कह दैट क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज नोन एज ए रम्बस, दैट क्वाड्रिलेटरल नोन एज ए रम्बस, ओके. नेक्स्ट 7. ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल is a square if and only if all sides are equal and their diagonals also equal. Their diagonals also equal. Diagonal मध्य equal हाँ पड़ी, okay. Diagonal also equal. देखो A B C D, तो AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to CD is equal to DA and BD is equal to SC length. BD is equal to कौन SC length, okay. 8 number. A parallelogram is a rhombus, is a rectangle if and only if their diagonals are equal. Their diagonals are equal, okay. पार्लोग्राम के रेक्टांगल कहवा जो से डायगोनल इक्वल थी. ए रम्बस is a square if and only if their diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal, okay. Diagonals are equal. प्रॉब्लम देख टी so that the points 1 5 2 4 and 3 3 are collinear. Collinear means they form a straight line. Okay, तो using distance formula अनुसार करिए हमें solution. Let A 1 5 B 2 4 C 3 3 points. तो first find length AB. लेंथ ए बी, तो लेंथ ए बी फास्ट बाहर करो कौन आसे डिस्टेंस फार्मूला 2 - 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 4 - 5 होल स्क्वायर. तो 2 - 1 मीन्स 1 स्क्वायर प्लस -1 होल स्क्वायर रूट दैट इज √2. नेक्स्ट बी सी लेंथ, बी सी स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3 - 2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 3 - 4 होल स्क्वायर. तो ये 1 स्क्वायर प्लस -1 स्क्वायर रूट, ये भी √2. नेक्स्ट सी ए लेंथ 3 - 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 3 - 5 होल स्क्वायर. सो 2 स्क्वायर प्लस -2 स्क्वायर. ओके, तो इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4 + 4 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 8. 8 मीन्स 2 √2. 4 × 2 2 √2 है. तो which one is greater? तो सी ए इज ग्रेटर, मोड ऑफ सी ए इज ग्रेटर देन मोड ऑफ ए बी एंड मोड ऑफ सी ए आल्सो ग्रेटर देन मोड ऑफ बी सी. Therefore मोड ऑफ सी ए इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ अदर टू इज इक्वल टू 2 √2 इज इक्वल टू √2 + √2 दैट इज मोड ए बी प्लस मोड बी सी. √2 + √2 means mod AB plus mod BC. Therefore CA is equal to mod AB plus mod BC implies ABC are collinear. Okay, ABC are collinear. Next question, two vertices of an equilateral triangle are given as 0 0 and 0, 2 √3. then find the third vertex. थर्ड vertex टा बाहर करिया को हाउस. ओके, तो सॉल्यूशन देख टिके हला. गिवन दैट द टू vertices of an equilateral triangle are वो 0 0 A 0 2 √3. Let P bracket x, y be the third vertex. We need to find the value of x and y. We have to find the value of x and y. Okay, since OAP is an equilateral triangle, therefore OA length is equal to AP length is equal to OP length. Okay, so OA length means what? OA length x minus OA origin 0 - 0 whole square plus 2 √3 - 0 whole square is equal to AP length AP x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 √3 whole square is equal to OP length. OP means x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So implies 2 √3 square 8 2 × 2 8 × 3 24 is equal to squaring both sides we get this is a 24 is equal to ये ला एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 12, so this is 12 not 24, 12 start 3 by 12 x square plus y square plus 12 minus 4y root 3 is equal to x square plus y square. So this implies x square plus y square plus 12 minus 4y root 3 minus 4y root 3 is equal to 12 and x square plus y square also 12. Okay, so 12 को 12 cancel. Okay, so this implies x square plus y square equal to what? 12. So 12 minus 4y root 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so this implies 4y root 3 is equal to 12. So y is equal to root 3. Y is equal to what? Root 3. So put the value of y, you get x. No, nahi? Okay, since x square plus y square is equal to 12, so here y is equal to root 3, so x square plus root 3 square is equal to 12, so x square is equal to 12 minus 3, that is 9, so x is equal to plus or minus 3. Therefore coordinate of third vertex of an equilateral triangle is equal to x comma y plus or minus 3 comma root 3. Okay, this is the answer, plus or minus 3 comma root 3. Okay, next question. First one is homework. Prove that the points minus 4 minus 1 comma minus 2 minus 4 comma 4 comma 0 and 2 comma 3 are the vertices of a rectangle. Prove karibo and also find the area of the rectangle. Length into breadth kala me kon paiju area paiju. Next question number, second number, two opposite vertices of a square are 2 comma 6 and 0 comma minus 2. Find the coordinates of the other vertices. The square दुईटा vertices दिया है opposite vertex दिया है opposite mean diagonal रो diagonal opposite दिया है vertices दिया है. Find the coordinate of other vertices. Okay, तो solution देखा टिके. Solution, this is a square नहीं जो square A B C D है तो एस सी दिया हो तो ए रो कोऑर्डिनेट लेट नहीं जीवा. लेट द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ ए, लेट द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ ए इज 2 comma 6 and C is 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. This is one diagonal. Okay. Okay. Let the coordinate of B be. Let the coordinate of B is x comma y. Okay. Since ABC is a square, since ABCD is a square, therefore ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle. Is an isosceles right angle triangle. Right angled triangle. Therefore AB length is equal to BC length. This is equation 1, and AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. 2 AC square. AB square plus BC square equal to what? AC square. As AB is equal to BC, so implies ए बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बी सी स्क्वायर। तो ए बी स्क्वायर मीन्स लेंथ ए बी, तो बी कोऑर्डिनेट एक्स वाई अच्छी, तो ए कोऑर्डिनेट कौन अच्छी 2 6, दिस इज 2 6, दिस इज एक्स कमा वाई, दिस इज 0 -2। तो देखो एक्स -2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस वाई -6 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एक्स -0 होल स्क्वायर प्लस वाई +2 होल स्क्वायर। एक्स -2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस वाई -6 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एक्स -0 होल स्क्वायर प्लस वाई +2 होल स्क्वायर। ओके, तो इम्प्लाइज एक्सपांड कर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4 - 4x प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 36 - 12y इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 4 + 4y। तो एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर कैंसल है कि 4 को 4 भी कैंसल, तो इम्प्लाइज 4x प्लस सॉरी सेपट नहीं जो 4x 4y + 12y 16y इज इक्वल टू 36। तो x क्या 4 कैंसिल कर ले, x प्लस 4y इज इक्वल टू 9। दिस इज इक्वेशन 3, इक्वेशन 3। ओके, again ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एस सी स्क्वायर। तो ए बी स्क्वायर मीन्स एक्स -2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस वाई -6 होल स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी स्क्वायर एक्स -0 होल स्क्वायर प्लस वाई +2 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल एस सी स्क्वायर 2 - 0 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 6 + 2 होल स्क्वायर। तो दिस इम्प्लाइज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4 - 4x प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 36 - 12y प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 4 + 4y इज इक्वल टू 4 + 64। ओके, तो इम्प्लाइज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर 2x स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर 2y स्क्वायर -4x प्लस 4 -4x -12y प्लस 4y -8y 4 + 36 40 प्लस 4 44 36 + 4 40 + 4 44 44 64 20 24 दिस इज 24। ओके, तो इम्प्लाइज कैंसिल 2 on both side, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर -2x -4y इज इक्वल टू 12। दिस इज इक्वेशन 2, दिस इज इक्वेशन 4, दिस इज इक्वेशन व्हाट 4। ओके, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 3 x इज इक्वल टू 9 - 4y and put in 4। So this implies 9 - 4y whole square plus y square minus 2 into 9 - 4y minus 4y is equal to 12. Is equal to what? 12. So implies 81 plus 16y square minus 72y plus y square minus 18 plus 8y minus 4y is equal to 12. तो 16y square plus y square 17y square minus 72y minus 4y minus 76y plus 8y तो minus 68y। ओके, तो ये ला 81 minus 18 81 minus 18 18 means 63 minus 12 so 30 तो minus 51 is equal to 0। तो 17 कैंसिल कर लो, y square minus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0। ओके, तो factorize this y minus 4 y minus 3 into y plus 1 is equal to 0। ओके, y square minus 3y नहीं plus 50, this is plus 51 तो plus 3 this is minus 1 तो implies y is equal to implies y is equal to 3 or 1 when y is equal to 3 x is equal to 9 minus 4y तो x is equal to 9 minus 4 into y means 3 so this is 9 minus 12 minus 3 तो x is equal to minus 3 y is equal to 3 this implies minus 3 comma 3 okay next when y is equal to 1 x is equal to 9 minus 4 into 1 5 so x comma y means 5 comma 1 okay x comma y means 5 comma 1 5 comma 1 therefore one vertex is minus 3 comma 3 another one vertex is 5 comma 1 one vertex of the square is minus 3 comma 3 another vertex is 5 comma 1 okay hence two vertices are two required vertices are कौन minus 3 comma 3 and 5 comma 1 minus 3 comma 3 and 5 comma 1 okay other vertices okay in next class we shall discuss area of a triangle section formula and problems related to area and ratio formula.